Okay, I'm back. The last video we made with our new product did so well. We sold nothing, but I went from 34 subscribers to 56. Guess what? I got one message. Woo! Yeah! Richie from Seaside, this is for you. He asked about a new product. It really has nothing to do with detailing, but it's something we all need. As we get older, see, it's hard to keep some of this jiggle off. You know what I mean? It's keeps you warm in the winter, but really warm in the summer. So, see what we got. Gut Be Gone. That's right, Gut Be Gone. Made of something else. Don't worry, like this label, we had to get a new label. Don't mind the scribbles. We had this professionally done. The spray, the colored bottles are perfect. And I wanted to give a special thanks to Matt's Off-Road Recovery for allowing me to buy this shirt. Matt, this is for you. Richie from Seaside, Gut Be Gone, buddy. Thank you for the one message. I don't really know how it works, so let me see if I can get a hold of the manufacturer. The manufacturer changed their number and are no longer in business. But yeah, besides that, let me just give this a whirl. I think that maybe we just kind of spray some on your belly. Don't mind the hair here. I'm going to get this waxed here soon. Soak it in, kind of rub it a little bit, make it jiggle, get it nice and tight in there. Okay. Get it in there good. Set this down. We don't want to lose all of our Gut Be Gone in case it actually does work. As you can see, I'm rather large. I make Fab Rats look small. Pull the shirt down, and then I think it worked. I'm almost six-packed. I can feel it. Richie from Seaside, this is for you, buddy. Hey, just so you guys know, this product isn't actually for sale, but really cool product. If you can ever get your manufacturers to make you some, do it. Gut Be Gone. Hey, you like the video? Hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Oh yeah, Gut Be Gone.